Oh my. My name is Christine Giffner, and I'm an economic support specialist for our County Human Services Agency. I help people who fall on hard times. I determine eligibility for food share, Badger Care, Medicaid, and nursing home Medicaid. I'm very proud of the work that I do, and I meet some really interesting people. I am here today because I believe in my rights, my collective bargaining rights. It's not about the money, it's about my rights. I've been here all week, so my voice is a little weak. But Governor Walker, you're not going to take my voice away. I see firsthand every day how people are struggling. And as a taxpayer, I know we are facing difficult fiscal times. There's no doubt about that. That's why public employees have offered major concessions to help balance the budget. It's common sense, though, to me. Taking away a worker's rights does nothing to balance the budget.
That's right.
And neither does giving corporations hundreds of millions of dollars in tax breaks. It's time for the governor to engage in a conversation with the workers of this state. Tell me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Tell me what democracy looks like.